Hello everyone, here is an update on crude hourly time frame. And from the weekend edition, I believe I was saying um, we were looking for that move to the downside, lower 66s, and then onwards towards 63. That part has not changed. During, I think it was Monday or Tuesday, we had this surprise move up above the resistance of around 70, up to about the 70.43 level, and then we, again started pushing down lower and lower, breaking through major support levels here, and continue to see further unwinding of the long position. And again, I do think that we're going to see a little bit of a bounce back up here, maybe as high as 68.21. That's a big maybe, but I'm still looking at the target levels to the downside here, testing the 67 level. That might be the bounce level here, so I'm kind of up in the air on whether or not we do go ahead and get that next push back up or not, or if we just continue to float back down to the 67.08, 67.05 level, which is the 786 fib level off the lows here of around 66.42. So usually we do get a little bit of a bounce here. At minimum, we'll push up into around 67.80 with a further push possible into 68.16. At which point I do believe we'll resist and start pushing back down towards the recent lows, 66.40s, and I'm curious to see if we'll end up breaking below those lows or not. But as you all recall, I still am looking for a longer term picture of about the. I'm trying to fit it into this chart here. Looks like I'm gonna have to go out to the daily time frame and then kind of zoom in a little bit. So again, just to kind of point this out, and I know it's a little bit difficult to see, but the 50 period moving average that I like to rely on is basically right in this area here around 68.90. And usually what happens is, this is something that I look at. The resistance of the 50 usually brings price back down towards the 200. So again, thinking that we do end up breaking below those 67s, 66.30s, and then onwards down towards around 63.80, 63.90. We'll chop around here for a little bit and then look for another push back up into those 66.70s or so. And I do believe that we will resist and start kind of trading between 62.90 to around 65, 66 bucks before we get the next direction and clues. We may end up continuing the move back to the upside here, but we'll have to see what happens when we get down there. So again, daily time frame RSI still has a bit to go here before we get into oversold conditions. So again, the bears still have the upper hand as far as I'm concerned.